Okay. So Jnanendra Kumar, he is the writer of this story. श्री ज्ञानेंद्र कुमार का जन्म अलीगढ़ जिले के कोडियागंज नामक कस्बे में 1905 में हुआ था. जिला मीन्स डिस्ट्रिक्ट. Okay, Aligarh, it's the name of a district, and Kasba means town. Okay, Kodiaganj namak town में, so he was born in Aligarh district, Kodiaganj town in 1905. जैनेन्द्र की रचनाओं पर गांधीवाद का बहुत प्रभाव पड़ा. गांधीवाद means the activities which was generated because of the rules and regulation of and the this because of the followers of Gandhiji. So whatever that Gandhiji has done that time, he was very much impressed from that, and that how much he was impressed, that was able to we can able to see in his rachnaon, in his poems and in his stories. ये अहिंसावादी और दार्शनिक थे. He believed in non-violence, and दार्शनिक means observer. He was a good observer. मुख्य रूप से तो ये कहानीकार थे. मेनली ही वॉज अ स्टोरी राइटर, बट इन्होंने निबंध, ऐसे, उपन्यास, नॉवेल्स एंड संस्मरण भी लिखे हैं. संस्मरण मीन्स when we write that lifestyle of someone, no, that is संस्मरण. Okay. सुनीता, सुखदा, मुक्तिबोध, इनके प्रसिद्ध उपन्यास मीन्स नॉवेल्स, साहित्य का श्रेय और प्रेय, मंथन प्रसिद्ध निबंध संग्रह, तथा फांसी, जय संधि, वातायन, नीलम देश की राज्य कन्या, एक रात, दो चिड़िया, पाजेब, इनके प्रसिद्ध कहानी संग्रह हैं. आर द फेमस स्टोरी कलेक्शन ऑफ हिम. इनकी कहानियों में कहानी कला को नया आयाम मिला है. इन हिज स्टोरीज द कहानी कला means the way of writing, what to say, the beautiful way of writing the story. So को नया आयाम मिला है. The new direction, the way of writing, it has got a new direction. आयाम मिला है means there is a new type of story writing, जिसमें वर्णन, explanation और विवरण, again the explanation की अपेक्षा, apart from explanation, चिंतन और विश्लेषण की प्रधानता है. What is the more important, more focused in that? चिंतन. चिंतन means to thinking, and विश्लेषण, observation, means whatever the problems are there, it is he is not only describing the problem, he is telling how we can solve it, how that problem is very important and it is affecting the social life. Okay. So अपना अपना भाग्य, individual's faith, individual's luck. Okay. Okay. बहुत कुछ निरुद्देश्य घूम चुकने पर हम सड़क के किनारे बेंच पर बैठ गए. निरुद्देश्य मीन्स without having any aim, without having any target. There is no aim of roaming here and there. घूम चुकने means roaming here and there after we are without any for nothing, roaming here and there. After that, सड़क के किनारे, at the bank of a road or at the side of the road, bench पर बैठ गए. We sat down on a bench. नैनीताल की संध्या धीरे धीरे उतर रही थी. संध्या means the evening. नैनीताल की संध्या, the evening of Nainital, उतर रही थी means it was passing by, means it was going. Now that night is about to come. रुई के रेशे से, भाप से बादल हमारे सिरों को छू छू कर बेरोक घूम रहे थे. रुई के रेशे like a cotton thread. भाप से बादल like a steam clouds. हमारे सिरों को छू छू कर by touching our heads. बेरोक without any obstruct in the in their way. घूम रहे थे. It was moving around. हल्के प्रकाश in the light. प्रकाश means again the light only. In the dim light. और अंधियारी से रंग कर कभी वे नीले दिखते. And means it was the evening was going and the night was coming. So there was a very dim light and darkness is coming. So being colored with light and darkness. कभी वे नीले दिखते. Sometime they were visible as blue. कभी सफेद. Sometime white. कभी जरा अरुण पड़ जाते. अरुण is the meaning of अरुण is the synonym of the rising sun. The reddish shade which the sun gives, that. So sometimes the clouds were visible. It was like blue, white or reddish. जैसे हमारे साथ खेलना चाह रहे हो. The way like they wanted to play with us. 5, 10, 15 मिनट हो गए. 5, 10, 15 minutes passed. मित्र के उठने का कोई इरादा ना मालूम हुआ. Okay, so irada means thought, wish. मित्र के उठने का, he was having one friend and that friend he was not in the mood of going. So मैंने झुंझलाकर कहा. झुंझलाकर means irritatingly, means I got irritated and said चलिए भी, let's go, like that. अरे जरा बैठो, wait little, we should sit, or means let's sit more time. हाथ पकड़कर जरा बैठने के लिए जब जोर से बैठा लिया गया. Okay, then हाथ पकड़कर means by holding the hand, and for sitting there, and by जोर से means forcefully. I was forced to sit there. तो और चारा ना रहा. Then there was no other way. चारा ना, और कोई चारा means there was no other way. सनक से छुटकारा पाना आसान न था. Sanak means the one who is very stubborn. Okay, he won't listen. He don't care about what other is thinking. Whatever he want, that only he will do. So from that person, छुटकारा पाना, getting rid of that person, आसान न था. It was not easy. और जरा बैठना भी जरा न था. जरा means little. Okay, जरा बैठना, little sit down. It was not actually little. If we will say for little, sometime you sit, it was not actually some time. It was actually so much time. Okay, चुपचाप बैठे तंग हो रहा था, कुढ़ रहा था. कि मित्र अचानक बोले. चुपचाप बैठे, silently sitting, तंग हो रहा था means I was getting tension or a kind of foundation was there. कुढ़ रहा था, कुढ़ means I was feeling irritated inside. कि मित्र अचानक बोले. Suddenly the friend said, देखो वह क्या है. Look, what is that? मैंने कहा, I said, कि कोहरे की सफेदी में कुछ ही हाथ दूर से एक काली सी मूर्ति हमारी तरफ आ रही थी. I saw that in the whiteness of kohara means fog, when there is fog. Okay, in the whiteness of fog, कुछ ही हाथ दूर से means कुछ ही हाथ means हाथ is हाथ, one hand garland like you are purchasing no from market. Here in South India they are giving how much garland you want. I want one hand, two hand, that much length. So कुछ ही हाथ दूरी पर means few hands distance apart. एक काली सी मूर्ति, a black statue, हमारी तरफ आ रही थी. It was coming towards us. मैंने कहा होगा कोई, someone will be there, might be anyone. 3 गज की दूरी से दिख पड़ा. 3 गज, when it was 3 gaj, gaj is again a distance. From 3 gaj distance we came to know, एक लड़का, one boy, सिर के बड़े बड़े बाल खुजलाता चला आ रहा था. His big hairs of head. खुजलाता means itching them. He was with the hand, he was itching them. चला आ रहा था, and he was coming towards us. नंगे पैर, bare feet, नंगे सिर, again nothing was there on the head also. एक मैली सी कमीज लटकाए है. मैली सी means dirty. Dirty कमीज, shirt. He was wearing the dirty shirt. पैर उसके न जाने कहां पड़ रहे थे और वह न जाने कहां जा रहा था. His legs was, कहां पैर उसके न जाने कहां पड़ रहे थे. His legs was going somewhere and वह न जाने कहां जा रहा था. He was going somewhere means it was like someone is drunk, so he is not having control on his body, so he is putting his legs somewhere and his body was going in some other direction, like that. पैर उसके न जाने कहां पड़ रहे थे. Where he was keeping his legs and he was going where, don't know. कहां जाना चाहता था. Where he wanted to go. न दाया था न बाया. दाया means right, बाया means left. न दाया था, there was no left, no right. पास की चुंगी की लालटेन के छोटे से प्रकाश वृत्त में देखा. पास की चुंगी. चुंगी means it's a kind of platform which is made to collect some taxes. Official bodies are there. Some kind of small windows they will keep, and there generally the officers, police are sitting there. They will collect some taxes, like you will see that for helmet, for not wearing the helmets, some police officers are collecting, no, so they are having a place and there they will be sitting. So like that, one platform is there. So on that platform, one small lalten means lamp was there. So from that lalten, that छोटे से प्रकाश वृत्त means circle. So small light circle was coming, means the small light in the shape of circle, it was coming. In that light saw that कोई 10-12 बरस का लड़का होगा. Then it will be around 10 to 12 years old boy. गोरे रंग का है. He is having fair complexion. पर मैल से काला पड़ गया है. But it has become black because of dirt. आंखें अच्छी, बड़ी. Eyes are good and big. पर सूनी है. But lonely means there is no hope. माथा जैसे अभी से झुर्रियां खा गया है. माथा, forehead, from now only it has become wrinkled. So many wrinkles are there on the face. वह हमें न देख पाया. He could not see us. वह जैसे कुछ भी न देख रहा था. Actually, it was like he was not seeing anything. ना नीचे की धरती, not at down the floor, ना ऊपर चारों ओर फैला हुआ कोहरा, and he was not even looking for the fog which was spreading all over our head. ना सामने का तालाब, not even the front small pond was there, और ना एकाकी दुनिया, or not even this world. वह बस अपने निकट वर्तमान को देख रहा था. But only what he was seeing, whatever is close to him, that much distance only, that much present only he was looking for. मित्र ने आवाज दी. My friend called him. A. उसने अपनी सूनी आंखें फाड़ दी. Suddenly, फाड़ना means to become bigger. Okay, so his eyes, he looked for the direction and his eyes became bigger. दुनिया सो गई, तू ही क्यों घूम रहा है? All the world has slept, why you are only roaming? बालक मूक, फिर भी बोलता हुआ सा चेहरा लेकर खड़ा रहा. बालक मूक, मूक means dumb, not able to speak, like that. फिर भी, but his face was like something he want to say, like having that kind of expression on face. He kept on standing. कहाँ सोएगा? Where you will sleep? यहीं कहीं. Here only. कल कहाँ सोया था? Where you slept yesterday? दुकान पर. At shop. At shop. आज वहां क्यों नहीं? Today why not there? नौकरी से हटा दिया. I am removed from the job. क्या नौकरी थी? What was the job? सब काम. 1 रुपया और झूठा खाना. All the work. 1 rupee and झूठा खाना means used food, which is already someone has eaten. Whatever is leftover food, that is झूठा खाना. So what was सब काम, every work I have to do, and 1 रुपया 1 rupees and leftover food he was getting from there. फिर नौकरी करेगा? You will do work again. हाँ, yes. बाहर चलेगा? Will come with me outside. Outside means out of the city or out of the country. हाँ, yes. आज क्या खाना खाया? What you eaten today? कुछ नहीं, nothing. अब खाना मिलेगा? Now you will get food. नहीं मिलेगा. No, I will not get. यूं ही सो जाएगा? Like this only you will sleep? Yes. हाँ. कहाँ? Where? यहीं कहीं. Here only. इन्हीं कपड़ों में? In these clothes only. बालक फिर आंखों से बोलकर मुंह बना रहा. Now again with the speaking eyes he was standing means without speaking only, he was with his speaking eyes he was standing. आंखें मानो बोलती हो, like the way his eyes was speaking. ये भी कैसा मूर्ख प्रश्न है? What kind of stupid question it is? Obviously if I will not get food like this only I will sleep, no? So the way he was looking means obviously. माँ बाप है? You have your mother and father? Yes. Where? 15 कोस दूर गांव में. 15 कोस दूर. कोस is again a distance unit. So it is 15 कोस दूर in the village. तू भाग आया. You ran from there. हाँ, yes. क्यों? Why? मेरे कई भाई बहन हैं. I have many brother and sisters, siblings. So भाग आया. So I ran from there. वहां काम नहीं. There is no work. रोटी नहीं. No food. बाप भूखा रहता था और माँ भूखी रहती थी. Father also was hungry and mother also used to be hungry. रोती थी. She was crying. So भाग आया. So I came from there. एक साथी और था. One more friend was there. उसी गांव का था. He was also from the same village. मुझसे बड़ा. He was elder than me. दोनों साथ यहाँ आए. We both came together. अब वह नहीं है. Now he is not there. कहाँ गया? Where he went? मर गया. He is died. बस जरा सी उम्र में ही इसकी मौत से पहचान हो गई. In this small age only he came to know. He understood what is the death. In this small age only he has the friendship with death. Like that. मुझे अचरज हुआ. I was surprised. That the writer is saying I was surprised. पूछा. Asked. मर गया? He died. हाँ, साहब ने मारा, मर गया. Yes, my sahab means the owner of the shop, the boss. Boss have beaten and he died. अच्छा, हमारे साथ चल. Okay, come with us. वह साथ चल दिया. He started to come with us. लौटकर हम वकील दोस्त के होटल पहुंचे. After returning, we reached at the hotel of वकील दोस्त. वकील means advocate friend. वकील साहब. Now they are calling to Vakil friend. So how they are calling? Mr. Vakil, like that. वकील साहब होटल के कमरे से उतर आए. वकील साहब came down from the room of the hotel. काश्मीरी दुशाला लपेटे थे. He was wrapping himself with the Kashmiri shawl. मोजे चढ़े पैरों में चप्पलें थी. He was मोजे चढ़े पैरों में means already he was wearing the socks and over that he was wearing the footwears. स्वर में हल्की झुंझलाहट थी and कुछ लापरवाही भी. And in his voice there was a little irritation and carelessness. Means he don't want to be called that time. Like that. ओहो, फिर आप कहिए. ओहो अगेन यू टेल मी लाइक दैट ही इज सेइंग। आपको नौकर की जरूरत थी ना, देखिए यह लड़का। यू नीडेड अ सर्वेंट नो, लुक फॉर दिस बॉय। कहाँ से लाए, आप इसे जानते हैं? फ्रॉम वेयर यू ब्रॉट इट, यू नो हिम। जानता हूं, यह बेईमान नहीं हो सकता। आई नो हिम, इट कैन नॉट बी डिसऑनेस्ट, ही कैन नॉट बी डिसऑनेस्ट। अजी ये पहाड़ी बड़े शैतान होते हैं। दीज ऑल पहाड़ी पीपल, these are very naughty, and shaitan means uh, the one who do some crime or that kind of activity, wrong activities. बच्चे बच्चे में अवगुण छिपे रहते हैं। Even the each child has a bad habits, no good qualities, all the bad qualities they are having. अवगुण means bad qualities. आप भी क्या अजीब हैं, उठा लाए कहीं से। यू आर वेरी डिफिकल्ट, एनीवेयर फ्रॉम एनीवेयर यू गॉट इट। लो जी ये नौकर लो। ओके नाउ ही इज टेलिंग टू समवन टेक दिस सर्वेंट लाइक दैट। मानिए तो यह लड़का अच्छा निकलेगा। बिलीव मी दिस बॉय विल बी गुड। आप भी, जी बस खूब है। यू ऑल्सो वेरी स्ट्रेंज। एरे गैरे को नौकर बना लिया। एनीवन हुएवर, एरे गैरे को मीन्स सिंपली हु इज रोमिंग ऑन रोड साइड। यू मेड हिम अ सर्वेंट फॉर यू। और अगले दिन वह ना जाने क्या क्या लेकर चंपत हो जाए। चंपत मीन्स डिसअपियर। सो इन नेक्स्ट डे डोंट नो बाय टेकिंग what थिंग ही विल बी डिसअपियर्ड। आप मानते ही नहीं, मैं क्या करूं। यू डोंट इवन बिलीव, व्हाट शुड आई डू नाउ। माने क्या खाक, आप भी। व्हाट शुड आई बिलीव, यू ऑल्सो। जी अच्छा मजाक करते हैं। यू ऑल्सो डू अ गुड फन। अच्छा अब हम सोने जाते हैं। नाउ ही वेंट ऑफ टू स्लीप। और वह 4 रुपया रोज के किराए वाले कमरे में सजी मसहरी पर सोने झटपट चले गए। ओके नाउ वह 4 रुपया रोज के किराए वाले, किराए मीन्स रेंट, रोज मीन्स डेली, 4 रुपीज डेली रेंट दैट रूम, सजी मसहरी पर सोने चले गए। मशहरी मीन्स दैट मॉस्किटो नेट, मच्छरदानी। सजी मस्करी में सोने चले, झटपट सोने चले गए। ही वेंट टू स्लीप in that room which was decorated with the mosquito net. बालक कुछ ठहरा। The boy was little waiting. मैं असमंजस में रहा। Now the writer is confused. तब वह प्रेत गति से एक और बढ़ा और कोहरे में मिल गया। Okay, now that प्रेत गति means the ghost speed. With the ghost speed, he started to go in one direction and he mixed in the fog, means he went away from there. हम भी होटल की ओर बढ़े and we also moved towards the hotel. हवा तीखी थी, the wind was sharp. हमारे कोटों को पार कर बदन में तीर सी लगती थी। Whatever coat they were wearing, that wind was penetrating that coat and it was hitting our body like a arrow. तीर सी लगती थी। तीर मीन्स एरो, बदन मीन्स बॉडी, पार कर मीन्स पेनिट्रेटिंग। सिकुड़ते हुए मित्र ने कहा, वाइल शिवरिंग द फ्रेंड सेड, भयानक शीत है। इट इज द डेंजरस कोल्ड। शीत मीन्स कोल्ड, भयानक मीन्स डेंजरस। उसके पास बहुत कम कपड़े, means he is having, now he is talking about the boy. Also he is telling he is having very less clothes. He was not even completed the sentence. यह संसार है यार, मैंने स्वार्थ की फिलॉसफी सुनाई। Okay, this is the world, means nothing new, this happens in the world. He is having lesser clothes, then what is that? यह संसार है यार, this is the world. मैंने स्वार्थ की फिलॉसफी सुनाई। I told this philosophy of selfishness. चलो पहले बिस्तर गरम हो लो, पहले बिस्तर में गरम हो लो, फिर किसी और की चिंता करना। Come, let's go. First, we should make our body hot in the बिस्तर means bed, in the bed. फिर किसी और की चिंता करना। Then first you make yourself hot, save yourself from this cold, then you take tension of somebody else. उदास होकर मित्र ने कहा. Now the that friend is telling, स्वार्थ जो कहो, लाचारी कहो, निठुराई कहो या बेहयाई करो. स्वार्थ, you can say it selfishness, लाचारी helplessness, निठुराई heartlessness और बेहयाई shamelessness. ओके. दूसरे दिन नैनीताल स्वर्ग के किसी काले गुलाम पशु के दुलार का वह बेटा, वह बालक निश्चित समय पर हमारे होटल दी पब में नहीं आया. ओके. नेक्स्ट डे, नैनीताल स्वर्ग के किसी काले गुलाम पशु के दुलार का वह बेटा. ओके. सो दैट सन, Nainital he is comparing with the heaven. Okay. And in that heaven, there is a gulam, means the servant. One minute. किसी काले गुलाम पशु के दुलार का वह बेटा, वह बालक निश्चित समय पर होटल दी पब, होटल दी पब is the name of that hotel, में नहीं आया. That boy at the decided time he did not come to our hotel. So okay, this line I need to tell you. दूसरे दिन नैनीताल स्वर्ग के किसी काले गुलाम पशु, ओके. दूसरे दिन नैनीताल स्वर्ग के किसी काले गुलाम पशु के दुलार का वह बेटा, वह बालक निश्चित समय पर होटल दी पब में नहीं आया. That boy, finally that boy did not come to the hotel. This काले गुलाम पशु के दुलार का, this I will tell you again. हम अपनी नैनीताल सैर खुशी खुशी खत्म चलने को हुए. Now these people, they are these people they came to Nainital and for Nainital visit. Now they are going back. So with happiness their journey is finished and they are returning from this Nainital. उस लड़के की आस लगाए बैठे रहने की जरूरत हमने न समझी. Okay, so now they are not hoping that boy will come. They did not took it that it is necessary to wait for that boy. मोटर में सवार होते ही यह समाचार मिला. When they, motor means car, when they sat in the car, they got the news. पिछली रात, last night, एक पहाड़ी बालक, one पहाड़ी boy, सड़क के किनारे पेड़ के नीचे ठिठुर कर मर गया. Side of road, under a tree, ठिठुर के shivering died. He died by shivering. मरने के लिए उसे वही जगह, वही 10 बरस की उम्र और वही काले चित्रों की कमीज मिली. Okay, so for dying, he got that same place, वही 10 years old age and वही black dirty कमीज he got for dying. आदमियों की दुनिया ने उसे बस यही उपहार उसके पास छोड़ा था. In the world of men, in the world of human, only this gift they left for him, that same place for dying, that 10 years old age and that dirty kameez. Only that gift human has left to him for dying. पर बतलाने वालों ने बताया, but some people who can give the information, they told, गरीब के मुंह पर, on the face of the poor boy, छाती, मुट्ठियों और पैरों पर, his chest, his this palm, fist and पैरों पर, on the legs, बर्फ की हल्की सी चादर चिपक गई थी. There was a kind of layer of snow on these parts. Mano, let's as दुनिया की बेहयाई ढकने के लिए, to cover the shamelessness of the world, प्रकृति ने, nature, शव के लिए, for dead body, सफेद और ठंडे कफन का प्रबंध कर दिया था. Nature has arranged the white and cold कफन. कफन, it's a piece of cloth which is used for to cover the dead body. So the nature has arranged the kafan, white and cold kafan, for what? For covering the shamelessness of this world, this waste world. Okay, so what is that? Means this on the body of this boy there was a layer of snow. It means what he is comparing, that layer of snow, he is telling that nature has covered his body so that no one can see what he was wearing and how he, means how old was he, everyone, means no one can find out what was the condition. So nature has covered the shamelessness of the human. So this was the story.